Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Toolbar in the Notability app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the note you want to open. At the note, you will see the toolbar. This has icons of writing, erasing highlights, and more if you want more space or a cleaner screen. To read or view content, you can temporarily hide it. To hide toolbar, just simply tap once in the center of the note. The toolbar and the menu will disappear, give you full screen view of your note. This is great for reading without distraction. To show the toolbar again, just tap the screen one more time anywhere on the note. The toolbar will reappear and you can go back to writing or editing just like before. You can see or use these features anytime while studying, presenting, or even just reviewing your notes. It works the same way on any note in the app, and that's it. Now you know how to hide and show the toolbar in the Notability app from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.